Hello, welcome to DaVinci Resolve. Today I'm going to show you how to trim and cut your clips. First thing we need to do is to import our media. So I'm going to go to my downloads and I have my media here. So let's do that. You either press change or you don't change. That's to adapt to the actual resolution of what it actually is. So first thing we do is you add your media to the timeline. It could be music, it can be an image, it could be a video, it could be anything. Using the Alt, you can zoom in and out. So to use your cut tool, also known as the razor tool, you can either press this icon here or you press the letter B and then it will give you the tool in your mouse. Then you make a cut here and then you scroll to where you want it and there you are. And then pressing either this, the select mode, or V, you can then select the clips that are now been cut. Now you can press the backspace to delete the ones you don't need, just like so. That is how you trim and cut your clips. You can also get to the side of the clips. If you've made a mistake and you've gone a little bit too much of it, you can just pull it back like so by grabbing the sides of the clips like so, and then you can come back to it just like so. And this is how you cut and trim your clips. Thank you for watching.